Perfect.
Close my door.
Buddy, get over here.
Hi guys, I'm Haley and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, and if you are a returner, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do a quick and easy half up, half down. I've been posting it on my Instagram quite a few times, so you've seen it. But this is gonna be like a new segment for me. I'm gonna try and do like beauty videos every Wednesday. So whether it's hair, makeup, skincare, etc. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through how I do it. So I have curled my hair with my straightener, just super light, easy waves where you won't really notice if it kind of falls flat. So I really like to use my straightener for that. But yeah, I have a little bit shorter pieces in the front of my hair, maybe some old school bangs that have never really fully grown out. But I kind of pull those out and I pull out little hairs on the side over here to kind of just have it frame my face a little bit. And that's a little too much. So then you can kind of just pull those back, but you can see in the front I have just like a little bit of bang on both sides. And then I just take my scrunchie and I kind of just wing it because I want it to be a little bit messy. I don't want it to be perfect by any means. So I kind of just use my hands to massage it back, push it back. And it's not gonna be perfect, but that's kind of what I like about it. So then I just do 2 of them around because I want it kind of loose, because if you make it loose, you have better chances of kind of like making it a little bit more fountainy around you, because if it's too tight, it won't look like super natural. It'll just be like you're pulling all of your head back. So then I kind of will spread these little side pieces out and tuck maybe a little bit behind my ears, so it kind of just adds a little bit of like layers kind of going back. So you can see kind of, it just like adds a little bit, so you can have some framing your face, or if you want you can push them all back and just have it, but I like to have a little bit out in the front because too much in the front is a little overwhelming. And that is it. I'll do a quick little spin so you can see it. And yeah, there is your quick and easy half up, half down. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and comment any videos that you'd like to see in the future. And I will see you all next time. Are you doing the time lapse before that?
No, but also introduce this new segment, because it's a new segment.
What do I do to introduce it?
Just talk about it.